Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Expat Rebel Chris, and I'm getting into my pool for the first time. It's actually Thanksgiving Day back in the US, but here it's just Thursday. But it's kind of chilly. Which is why I got the steam room warming up. The little extra benefit of having a steam room is that we're going to be able to get okay, I'm in the deep end. And yeah, it's real. But it's been almost 5 months daily construction, except for Sundays. And it's really nice to have this done and to be able to finally, they're all out of here and everything's complete, except for the steam room door. We're actually using a curtain right now, but that's going to come in here about a week or so. And maybe a couple of minor things, but we're done. And so we're getting to enjoy our pool, even on a day that's a little chilly, and I'm getting used to it though. And at first it's a little, whoa. But it's really great, and I know everybody that's been watching the vlog has seen the design, and so now you can see how these are the bench bar stools that we had installed in the pool, and a little bar area as well that has a view of our Palapa and the Gulf of Mexico out there, so we can sit here in the pool and enjoy our, in this case, coffee and some coconuts from our own tree, believe it or not. This is a coconut from our own place. Yum. That's so great. Now we got the pool lights on as well, just to try it out. But that's it. Thank you for joining me on this adventure of a fabulous renovation. We had a great time, and we're looking forward to being able to use it. Keep updating on when we do some things. We're going to do some minor landscaping. Our curtain on our steam room just fell off. Yeah, really do need that door. But you keep up to date by subscribing to the channel. And also, if you're interested in a weekly newsletter, you can go over to expatrebel.com/newsletter. I send out a newsletter once a week on expat news and anything that expats and wannabe expats need to know. So it's a great newsletter of stuff that you don't see in the videos over at expatrebel.com/newsletter. See you guys next time. Bye.